Hey, what's up guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video I got a new slideshow for you guys. A orb flying over the moon. Rather large, dull orb noticed by Seth. Pretty cool. I think you guys are going to like that. Also, this one here is rather cool in its own unique way. A very colorful light. Kind of looks like an emerald off in the distance noticed by Cameron from Oakland, California. We're going to come back to all those here in just a moment. But first, here at the website, Schumann resonance data. Looks pretty good other than a little bit of activity right in through here. Doesn't look like a normal spike. I don't know what's going on, some sort of static or something in the Schumann, but other than that it looks pretty quiet over the last 24 to 36 hours. Hopping over to the Yellowstone supervolcano caldera. Another day at the office, more energy flowing through the caldera, albeit small, but nevertheless still there and has been there for many weeks into months. Looking at the power outages map, still have multiple outages in Louisiana, Texas, and Arkansas, and also up in Michigan and New York, all weather related. The outages in California are associated with the record-setting wildfires. Looking at a orb now spotted by Seth flying towards the moon, then it looks like it goes over the moon, not literally, but from the ground it goes over the moon from his point of view. A good video here. I don't know what this is. It's not bright enough, as you'll see, to be the International Space Station. Here it is right up here coming into the field of view. He spotted it, put the camera on it, and here it comes. And that's why you couldn't see it at the very beginning, because it was rather a long ways away. There it is right there. I'm going to zoom in on it. And you can kind of see that's definitely not bright enough. And in fact, it's probably too low to be the space station. I don't know. I've never seen anything quite like it. It's kind of dull. Looks like it's pretty good size, whatever it is. It's definitely not a bright light. That right there is a reflection of the moon itself. Isn't that cool? Seth C. shared that with me. And I mean, it's dark, pitch black. Don't see anything else in the sky but the moon and that object up there, whatever it was. Caught his attention way back there, and he was able to get a decent video of whatever that was. Kind of like this one here from Oakland, California, sent in by Cameron McKeel. Looks like some sort of an emerald off in the distance, and this is way far away. And it's opposite of the one we just saw. This is very bright and colorful. And Cameron noticed this, put his camera on it, and started recording. And what we have is some sort of a purple and green light. What I do here is go in slow motion. I enhance it just a little bit to try to see if we can find any features or anything, but no chance. It's just too far away. See a lot of light saturation with regard to purple and green, and a little bit of white, but other than that, I don't know what we've got going on here, and neither did he. Neither did he, and that was a long ways away. If I'm not mistaken, out over the ocean, and he was looking at this from Oakland, California. Isn't that cool? Not every day you see a purple and green like light just sitting in the sky. I don't know. Kind of looks like it's blinking. Difficult to tell. And he was doing his very best to record it because it was so far away. And when objects are far away like that, I mean, it is tough to keep the camera steady. There it is. You can see the very definitive purple. Even had a little bit of blue back there. Don't know. That's a good observation by Cameron out of Oakland, California. All right, hopping over to the picture slideshow. A few pictures I've sent, a few pictures that have been sent in recently. Edward K. out of Phoenix, Arizona. Big jumbo orange clouds off in the distance. Oliver and Katharina, another orange sky. Then they noticed a double-decker rainbow. I think that was on a different day. Catherine, Idaho, ominous-looking storm clouds in the sky above Middleton. Las Vegas, Christy and Jeff, unique, look like gravity waves or something in the sky. Then got some color over here in the proximity of the sun. And these look like small mammatus, very small mammatus clouds. Mammatus are usually big and puffy like cotton balls. Those are small and And Tiny Carla K out of Granite City, Illinois. Rainbow back in there behind the purple clouds at, I think, sunset. Bruce H, big jumbo orange X up in the sky. That's why he took the picture. David F out of Armstrong, British Columbia. Very intense rainbow off in the distance. Probably a double, but we can only see the single there. E-Rock. Big cloud towering up into the sky. Denise S out of Palm Coast, Florida. That is a spectacular looking sky there. Purple and kind of a light pink color. Faye D out of Pennsylvania. Another towering supercell. Thunderstorm, Green Day Dreams, Lightning Bolt. This is another phase when it was peaking out, saturating the camera. Glamorous out of Albuquerque, New Mexico. Got some colorful clouds there in the sky. Judd O, fiery orange sunset. That's about as orange and gold as you can possibly get. Kathleen out of Colorado. Sun very low on the horizon behind some clouds. Kelly, Queensland, Australia. Big halo around the sun. Cumberland, Maryland, Kelly R. Another bank of orange clouds off in the distance, kind of like we saw out here in Arizona that Ed shared with me. Kitty N out of Albuquerque, New Mexico. More color in the sky, horizontal color. Kyle out of Memphis, Tennessee. Giant crepuscular rays. Liz B out of Mexico City. Ominous looking sky before some storms were on their way into the Mexico City area. And this is from an airplane in between cloud layers. How about that? Looking out the window of an airplane. This here, simply unidentifiable. Don't know what this is. Laura H from Barry, Alabama. Notice that right there. Try to zoom in on it. Looked like a rod up in the sky. She even sent that to a meteorologist that also said that they'd never seen anything like it. And that was actually in the sky, not just something in the photo. Marion out of San Diego, California. Big lonesome arc in the sky all by itself. Here's another one noticed by Rebecca B. Different location. That's a video you're looking at there. Marielle out of San Antonio, Texas. More big jumbo orange clouds. Michael C. out of Indiana. Looked like something falling through the sky when he looked off into the horizon. He managed to get a picture of what it left behind. Pretty cool. Michelle K. out of Slinger, Wisconsin. Here's a double-decker rainbow. Misty Day K. out of Georgia. It's like a big shell up in the sky. How about that? RFM, Edgewater, Florida. Unique sky here. Got some sort of a half circle or something missing out of the cloud. Riley H. out of Virginia. Got waves up in the sky above the ocean. How about that? Now that's something you don't see every day. Thanks for watching. Have a super day and be safe out there.